Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin. This is 22 Ways. We're lot testing today. I got 10 lots of Eley Match, CZ457, a target set up at 50 yards. Let's get into shooting. All right guys, here we go. First 10 shots, lot number 2097. Thing hung off way to the right. I think that's 5. Not looking too terrible right now. Next lot's 4093. 4093. Looks pretty good on that one. We got him on 5-round mags. I am on the lookout for 10-round magazines. If y'all know anybody that's got them, leave me a comment down there to where to get them. I don't want to pay $100 off of eBay. I've seen those. All right. Let's load up some more mags. It's weird. Didn't start off good. Now it's wanting to shoot. $5097. 5097. I guess I can quit calling that out. I've got it written on the target down there. You can probably see it before I call it. Same hole. All right, guys, this is going to be the end of part one of this two-part series. I've got the first 5 lots on paper. We'll get those measured up and see how they do. I want to thank you for watching my little video and sticking around this far. If you enjoy what I'm doing and you're not subscribed, just think about hitting the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Like and share the video if you can. And, you know, all the support is very much appreciated here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on part 2. Bye-bye.